I recently purchased the CAROTE 6.5 Quart Deep Frying Pan on Amazon, and I have to say it's quickly become my favorite frying pan in the kitchen. As someone who loves to cook, I was looking for a non-stick sauté pan that was easy to use and clean, and this product did not disappoint. As soon as I started using the frying pan, I knew I had made the right choice. The non-stick surface made cooking and cleaning up a breeze. I used it to cook everything from eggs to stir fries, and everything came out perfectly. The non-stick surface means that food doesn't stick to the pan, which makes cleanup a breeze. I simply wiped it down with a sponge and it was as good as new. The 6.5 quart capacity is perfect for cooking up meals for my family and friends, and the non-stick surface means that I can cook without worrying about food sticking to the pan. Plus, the pan is PFOA-free, which is a huge plus for me, as I like to cook with confidence knowing that I'm not exposing my loved ones to harmful chemicals. Another thing that I appreciate about this pan is that it comes with a lid, making it versatile for a wide range of cooking methods. Whether I'm simmering a stew or steaming veggies, the lid helps lock in the flavors and moisture, ensuring that my dishes turn out perfectly every time. The handle of the frying pan is also ergonomic, which makes it easy to hold and use. And because it's oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I can finish off dishes in the oven for that perfect finish. Overall, I'm really impressed with the CAROTE frying pan. It's made from high quality materials, so I know that it's built to last. And with an ergonomic handle that's comfortable to hold, I can cook up a storm with ease. Plus, it's oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for finishing off dishes in the oven. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy to use frying pan, I highly recommend the CAROTE 6.5 Quart Deep Frying Pan.